Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to set a password for end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to Preference and tap on Privacy and Safety. Under Security, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Select Message Storage. Tap on Reset PIN. Now go ahead and create a PIN for yourself. Enter your PIN once again in order to confirm it. And that's it. This is how you set a password for end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.